Hi, everyone. It's Diedre Jan here, aka Boss Lady, and new author of my brand new book, Serve Like a Boss: The 10 Commandments of Exceptional Customer Service to Build Your Ministry. Listen, this past January, I had the opportunity to attend Terea's Boot Camp Boot Camp, and it was a phenomenal experience. I learned so much over the course of the 3 days in writing my book. I was challenged, I was stretched, but I also gained so much knowledge and wisdom and insight in how to not only write the book, but also what to do to leverage the book. You also want to enroll in the Book Profits Club. It really should be called Book Profits University. Terea has provided so much valuable information, so many resources that will help you leverage your new book and help you turn it into multiple streams of income. So don't delay. If you have been thinking about writing a book, think no longer. Go ahead and enroll in the book camp and also Book Profits Club. You won't regret it. Thank you, Terea, for all that you've done to assist us along this journey. Many blessings to you.